Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about self-development and productivity with a scientific edge. Today's topic is one we all struggle with: how to manage your time smarter using psychological hacks you wish you knew earlier.
Ever feel like there's just never enough time in the day?
You plan, you prioritize, and yet, somehow, time slips through your fingers.
What if the real problem isn't time, but how your brain perceives it? 1. Attention is the real issue. Your brain isn't wired for multitasking.
Every time you switch tasks, your brain takes time to refocus.
Use the 25-5 rule: 25 minutes of deep work, 5 minutes of rest.
2. The Zeigarnik Effect. Your brain remembers unfinished tasks better than finished ones.
Once you've started, momentum kicks in.
3. Time blocking over to-do lists. To-do lists are good, but time blocking is better.
Assigning time to tasks creates psychological commitment.
Treat it like a meeting with your future self.
4. The 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately.
It clears mental clutter and builds a bias toward action.
5. Batch the mundane. Group all your emails, admin tasks, or meetings into specific windows. This reduces context switching and keeps your brain in the same cognitive lane.
6. Plan backward. Start with your deadline or outcome, then work backward.
This activates goal-driven thinking.
7. Protect the first 90 minutes. The first 90 minutes of your workday are prime cognitive real estate.
Guard this time. No emails, no meetings.
8. Weekly reviews matter. Weekly reviews help you improve. Set aside 30 minutes each week to reflect.
Time is the most democratic resource. We all get 24 hours.
When you master your time, you master your life.
If this video helped you, hit that like button and share it with someone who always says, "I don't have time." And don't forget to subscribe for more brain-based self-development tips. Let me know in the comments what's your biggest struggle with time management. I read every comment.